Hello friends, this is Bharti and you are watching Learn Maths with Bharti. So today we are going to solve some problems from arithmetic progressions. Okay, so I hope that you have already learned this chapter, but revision is very important because here this is the chapter where most of the students get confused. Okay, where should we use an formula, where should we use Sn formula, where should we use and where should we find n, like this. Okay, so let us revise some problems. Okay, now let's get started. Now let us read the question. Choose the correct choice in the following and justify. Okay, we have to choose the correct answer and we have to justify. Justify means we have to show that particular answer is correct, but how, why. Okay, so it means we have to solve the question. Okay, now let's solve the first question here. Let us write the given AP. Okay, 10, 7, 4 and so on. So the first question is 30th term of the AP is what? Okay, so here the first term A is equal to 10, the common difference D is equal to second term minus first term, which is minus 3, and we have to find out 30th term. It means A 30 is equal to how much? Okay, so here we should use nth term formula, which is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here we need to find out a 30. So here first term is 10 plus n is 30, so 30 minus 1 and d is minus 3. So here 10 plus 29 into minus 3. So here 10. Now when you multiply, take care of the sign. Okay, plus into minus will become minus. 29 into 3. 3 9s are 27, carry out 2. 3 2s are 6, 6 and 2 is 8. So 10 minus 87, which will be equal to minus 77. Okay, so option C is correct. Okay, so now let us solve the second question. Let us write the given AP, minus 3, minus 1 by 2, 2 and so on. Okay, so here first term A is equal to minus 3, D is equal to second term minus first term. It means minus 1 by 2 minus, okay, we are subtracting, that's why we should write minus. And what is the first term? First term is minus 3, so keep this in the bracket. Okay, don't forget it. So minus 1 by 2, it will become plus 3. Now take LCM, then LCM is 2, here minus 1 plus 6. So it will become 5 by 2. So common difference is 5 by 2. Now write the formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So An, it means we want to find here 11th term. See, 11th term. So A11 is equal to A plus 11 minus 1 into D. Put the value of A. Here A is minus 3 plus 11 minus 1 is 10 into what is the value of D? 5 by 2. Okay. So here 2 5s. Now minus 3 plus 5 5s are 25. Now here minus 3 plus 25 will be equal to 22. So here option B is correct. Okay, these are very simple and easy questions. Okay, now let's move to the next question. So friends, let us read the next question. Question number 4. Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on is 78? Okay, so here first we should write the given AP. Okay, so 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on. So here clearly the first term A is 3 and the common difference D is equal to second term minus first term which is 5. Okay. Now which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on is 78? It means 78 is a term of the given AP. But what is the position of 78? We want to find out that. Okay, what is the position of 78? It means 78 is a term of the given AP. It means it is somewhere in this AP. So let nth term is 78. Okay, so let an is equal to 78. It means an is given. Okay, it is somewhere in this AP. Let an is equal to 78. Now we have to find out the position of 78. It means we have to find out what is n. Okay, so for this we have to use the nth term formula, an formula. Okay, so first you write an is equal to 78. It is given an is equal to 78. Now write the formula of an. A plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 78. Okay, now put the values here. A is 3 and we don't know, we have to find it. And what is D here? D is 5 is equal to 78. Okay, now 3 plus, open the bracket, 5n minus 5 is equal to 78. Now 5n, 3 minus 5 is minus 2 is equal to 78. 5n is equal to 78 plus 2. So 5n is equal to 78 plus 2 is 80. Okay, so n is equal to what? 80 divided by 5. Okay, cancel it, you will get 16. So what is the answer? Answer is 16th term. Answer is what? 16th term. So which term is 78? So the final answer is 78 is the 16th term. Okay. Okay friends, let us solve the next question. Okay. So here find the number of terms in each of the following APs. Okay. So here this is your homework question. I will solve this second question. Okay, find the number of terms in each of the following. It means what is this? We have to find out n here. The previous question and this question both are same here. The only difference is that here in fourth question, here series is going on. Last term is not given. It means it is infinite series. But here last term is given. Okay, here 205 last term is given here. Okay, here minus 47 last term is given here, minus 47. Okay, so we have to find out how many terms are there in this AP. It means what is the position of minus 47. If we will find out what is the position of minus 47, then we can say that how many terms are there in this AP. Okay, so both are same. Okay, the way of questioning is different, but both are same. We have to find out n in both the cases. Okay, so let us solve it. Second question I am going to solve. Here the given AP is 18, 15 whole 1 by 2, 13 and so on. Here minus 47. So A is equal to 18. Common difference D is equal to second term minus first term. What is second term? Second term is, I am going to change it in improper fraction. So it will become 31 by 2 minus 18. If I simplify it, I will get 31 minus 36 by 2. You know how to take LCM. Now it will become minus 5 by 2. Now 47 is what? It is an. Okay, let it is an. Let it is nth term. Then we have to find out what is n here. Okay, so we have to find out what is n here. Okay, here an is given. An is equal to minus 47. So a plus n minus 1 into d. Put the formula here left side and write the value minus 47 here. Now What is the value of A? 18 plus n we don't know, n minus 1, d we know now, minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 47. Okay. Now 18. Okay. How to simplify it? See, there are many ways. I will multiply numerator into numerator like this. I will write in this way, n minus 1 into minus 5. Okay. And denominator into denominator, which will become 2. Okay. Minus 47. Now here LCM, we have to take LCM. So here LCM will be 2. Okay. Here in denominator of 18, 1 is there, no? So 18 2s are 36 plus, now I am going to open this bracket. Okay. So I am going to multiply n minus 1 and minus 5. So minus 5n plus 5. Okay. I have multiplied these two terms, n minus 1 and minus 5. Minus 47. Okay. Now 36. Now I am opening the bracket, minus 5n plus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 47. Okay. So 36 plus 5 is what? 41 minus 5n. Now minus 47 into 2. Okay. 2 will go to right side, transposing, then minus 47 into 2. So, okay, minus 5n is equal to, okay, minus 47 into 2 is what? 2 sevens are 14. Carry over 1. 2 fours are 8. 8 and 1 is 9. Minus 94 and transpose this one, minus 41. Okay. Now minus 5n is equal to, now add 5, 9 and 4 is 13. So minus 135. So n is equal to minus 135 by minus 5. Minus minus cancel, and 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35. It means n is equal to 27. It means how many terms are there in this AP? 27 terms. It means minus 47 is the 27th term. And how many terms are there in this AP? 27. Both are same. Okay. What is the position of minus 47? 27. And how many terms are there in this AP? That is also 27. So our answer is n is equal to 27. Okay, I hope it is clear to all of you. Now let's move to the next question. So friends, let's read the next question. It's an interesting question and important also, because see, let us read the question. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on. Okay. Here we have to check that minus 150 is there or not there in the given AP. Okay, it is the term, whether it is a term or not. Okay, so how we will check? So for that we have to suppose that minus 150 is there in the AP. Okay, we will let that minus 150 is the nth term. Okay, and then we will find out the position of this number. It means we have to find out n here. Then we will decide it is there or not there in the given AP. Okay, now let's solve it. The given AP is 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on. Okay. Here A is equal to 11, D is equal to second term minus first term, which will be equal to minus 3. Now suppose minus 50 is the term of the given AP. Then let it is the nth term. Okay. So let an is equal to minus 150. then there will be a position of minus 150. Okay, so we have to find that what is the position of minus 150. Okay, we will find out what is the position of minus 150. It means what is the value of n. So here again you write here an is equal to minus 150. Okay, then what is the formula of an? A plus n minus 1 into d is equal to minus 150. Now what is a here? 11. What is n here? We don't know. What is d here? Minus 3. Okay, negative numbers always you keep in the bracket. Minus 150. Now 11. Now I am going to multiply these two brackets. Okay, so n into minus 3 is minus 3n. Minus 1 into minus 3 is plus 3 is equal to minus 150. Now I am going to open this bracket. 11 minus 3n plus 3 is equal to minus 150. Okay, now minus 3n plus 14 is equal to minus 150. Minus 3n is equal to minus 150 minus 14. So minus 3n is equal to minus 164. So n is equal to minus 164 by minus 3. Minus minus cancel. Further, can you simplify it? No. Because 164, if you add the digits 1 plus 6 plus 4, okay, you will get 11. 11 is not divisible by 3. Okay, so value of n is 164 by 3. But what is n? N is the position of minus 150. This is the position. Is it possible? The position is in the fraction. Is it possible? See, here 11 is the first term. 11 is the first term. Okay, and this 8 is the second term. 5 is the third term. 4 is the fourth term. It means position, value of n should be always a positive integer. Okay, it should be always a whole number, but here it is a fraction. So n is equal to 164 by 3. It means it is not possible. So it means what? We can conclude that minus 150 is not the term of the given AP. Clear? I hope it is clear to all of you. Okay, so finally we should write, since n is a fraction, therefore minus 150 is not a term of the given AP. Clear? Minus 150 is not a term of the given AP. So friends, I hope you have understood today's concepts very clearly. We will solve some more problems from this chapter. And let me remind you friends, I have already created some shorts on this chapter, and I have also created some shorts on surface area and volume of cone. If you have missed those videos, please go and check it out. For that, I will share the video link in the description box below. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel. And if you like my videos, please share and like. And I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and thanks for watching.